कैसा लग रहा है? Means how are you feeling when you are learning English? So English is easy or tough?
Of course, English is easy and I'm feeling very well.
Okay.
And my hesitation has gone.
It means you have improved your education.
Of course, I improved.
Is it in Primemotivation English is easy? Like I'm teaching, the system is good or not?
Of course, according to me, it's very good because I really improved myself and my communication skills, or I developed my personality also.
Okay. Are you feeling comfortable in this coaching?
Of course, I'm feeling.
Okay. Is English important for the good future?
According to me, it's very important.
Okay. How can you define that English is important, like food and water, like this?
Actually, not that important, but it is the medium. It is the medium of communication. It is the medium of business field. In business field, commercial or like science, medical, English is very essential for us. And I feel confident while I'm speaking English.
Okay. Achha, are you feeling glad to speak English? Like when you speak English, then
Of course, I'm feeling.
Do you think that when you speak English, automatically you look smart?
Yeah, correct.
Is it not?
Yes.
Because when we speak Hindi, it looks we are Indian. But when we speak English, we feel artsy, we feel ourselves globalized.
Yes.
Is it right?
Yeah, it's right.